Alright, we're gonna try here. Something here, like the way you'd fish is just slightly cast in there with a little bit of extra line, and then pull it up, jiggle it around. See, oh, there is a fish. Oh, okay, he's in there. Oh yeah. Alright, so we try that same thing. We throw it over here this time. Let it float around, jiggle it around a little bit. Just like that. Pretty sure he just grabbed onto it, so I think he wants it again. He's in there though. There he is. Whoa. He's hiding underneath that rock right there. Alright, well, we didn't catch him this time, but he was right next to that rock right there. We're gonna leave him be and go to a different spot. Alright, the water's running pretty low. If you look right about here, there is a little pool. Let's see if there's any fish in there. A little about 5 feet of line. And then, yeah, we chucked that in. Oh, there's a rock. We caught a rock so far. Try it again. You just never know sometimes. It's hard to see the fish in these brooks. But even in here, there's a little spot right in here. Probably 6 inches. I'm gonna just reel up here a little bit. So now I got about 3 feet of line, 4 feet of line. I'll chuck that in. Just to make sure before I move on, there's no fish in there. So this is the terrain that I have to walk in around here. All kinds of rocks everywhere. The nice rocks that you actually made to make steps, sort of thing. They're only slippery when you get closer to the water, so I try to stay off the water as much as I can. Yeah, there's a beautiful pool right there. There might be a fish hanging out in there. I think I'm going to put a new worm on. So that's the spinner and the hook that I use. I forget what size it is, but it's perfect for brook trout. So I'm going to put a new worm on it. I got worms in here. I bought it at the little corner store down the road. And then we're going to put them on there as well. And then we're going to try fishing. Alright, this is a little spot I'm trying. I got my new worm on. I'm going to throw it as far under that tree as I possibly can and see if there's a fish in there. Here we go. Nope, I gotta go further than that. Let's try that again. There we go. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, there he is. No, he didn't follow it, but he's in there. Let's try that again. There's a lot of fish in this little brook. But they're just little guys, but it's still fun to just get out in nature. Try a few spots. Need a better cast than that to catch them. Let's try this. Oh. Alright. Here's the one. We're going to be able to do this. Let's catch this fish. There we go. Perfect. There he is. We got him. Ooh, the nicest one of the year, too. Wow, he's a fighter. Oh, there we go. Just a sec, everybody. Alright. Here's the fish that I just caught. I'm going to put him right back though so he survives. But he's a good 8 inches. There you go, big guy. Have a great life.